Namaste, Hamisha Khushro Bitia. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's practical session, we are going to discuss record of incidents of hanging. This is a case that was reported in Tamil Nadu where a restaurant manager committed suicide by hanging. So, before understanding hanging, we will understand what is mechanical asphyxia. So it is a condition that if oxygen supply to the blood and tissue is reduced because of interference with respiration, it is called anoxia, anoxemia, or hypoxia, mechanical asphyxia. Now the causes of asphyxia. One of the cause can be obstruction to the air passages due to hanging, strangulation, or throttling, or it can be cause of it can be external respiratory orifices obstruction as in case of smothering, or it can be occlusion of the air passage within as in drowning or laryngeal spasm, or pressure on the chest as in traumatic asphyxia, or it can be inhalation of irrespirable gases like carbon monoxide, or spasm of the respiratory muscles as in strychnine poisoning, or paralysis of respiratory center as by narcotics and anesthetics, or obstruction of the upper respiratory passage in case of angioneurotic edema. Features of asphyxia. These are cyanosis, capillary dilatation, capillary stasis, rise of capillary pressure. There's increased capillary permeability and relaxation of sphincters. So there's a cycle of asphyxia starts with asphyxia, which results in reduction in O2, causing capillary dilatation leading to capillary stasis, which causes capillary engorgement and it results in stasis of blood in organs. Due to this stasis, there is diminished venous return to heart, which causes reduced pulmonary flow, and due to this reduced pulmonary flow, less blood is reaching in lungs, and it causing deficient oxygenation in lungs, which increases tension and again causes asphyxia. Mechanical asphyxial death or violent asphyxial death can be caused by hanging, strangulation, suffocation, and drowning. Hanging. Hanging is a form of asphyxial death which is caused by the suspension of the body by ligature which encircles the neck. The constricting force in this case is being the weight of the body. Types. It can be complete hanging, partial hanging, or typical hanging or atypical hanging. In complete hanging, when feet do not touches the ground and the weight of the body acts as constricting force, while in partial hanging, the weight of the head and not the whole body acts as a constricting force. Typical hanging, the ligature is situated in the midline above the thyroid cartilage and runs symmetrically upward on both sides of the neck of the occipital region. While in atypical hanging, any variation other than this typical hanging is atypical hanging. Ligature. It is not particular not particular. It can be a rope or chain or wire or a leather strap or a belt or a scarf or a dhoti or a sari or a bedsheet. It can be anything. It is important to match the ligature with the ligature marks and see if it is strong enough to bear the weight and jerk of the body. Cut the ligature away from the knot. Symptoms so rapid that they are rarely observed. Flashes of lights before the eyes, ringing in the ear, unconsciousness, and death. The individual can do nothing to help himself even if it were possible. Respiration stops before the heart, which may continue for 10 to 15 minutes. Causes of death. It is asphyxia. The ligature forces the tongue up and occludes air. Cerebral congestion. Obstruction of jugular vein by compression causes cerebral congestion. Cerebral anoxia. Carotid artery occlusion causes decreased supply to cerebral region, causing cerebral anoxia. Reflex vagal inhibition. Fracture or dislocation of cervical spine at the level of two second, third, and fourth vertebra. Diagnosis. The case of hanging can be diagnosed by the ligature mark around the neck, presence of abrasions, ecchymosis, and redness around the ligature mark, trickling saliva from the mouth, ecchymosis of larynx and trachea, rupture of intima of carotids, signs of asphyxia are present. Medico-legal aspect. In case of hanging, some questions arises that whether the death was due to hanging or not, whether hanging was suicidal, homicidal, or accidental. It was typical oblique, non-continuous, high up ligature mark, abrasions and ecchymosis above and below the ligature mark, extravasation, tear of the intima of the carotids, saliva and sign of asphyxia, suicidal hanging. Usually in case of suicidal hanging, there is full suspension, ligature tied to beam, hook, fan, tree, etc. Suspension without any platform is unusual in suicide. Occasional nail marks may be self-inflicted while trying to free him or herself. A suicidal note can be found. Homicidal, there is extremely rare and except in case of flinching. Difficult unless the victim is unconscious by injury or by drugs. Marks of violence may be seen on the body. This session is powered by Digital Weather 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.